Welcome back. In this video we're gonna take a look on how to create the front end of Google page sign in. So as you can see, I just have all my file I've already created here. I just have all my file here, everything chopped up. You can see HTML combined with CSS. So this is where my my CSS file starts, as you can see from there, and then the rest of the body I just have all this little. I just make the thing chopped up. So guys, this is how to create. This is how to just create here. I just wanted to just make a simple video on that already created. I didn't want this video to take more than 2 minutes. If not, I could have created from the scratch while everyone is watching. So let me just run it. So this is it. So I just created a file here. This is my Google. I just created it. I have my 2 image. So thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video, and if this is your first time to watch this channel, make sure you subscribe before you leave. Until then, see you guys.